As college students end their school year and look towards the fall, there's many uncertainties, from sports and abroad programs to enrollment in classes. NBC5's Anna Weeks spoke with executive leadership at Southern Oregon University today, who say they're optimistic moving forward.
Like many colleges around the country, Southern Oregon University is facing obstacles because of the pandemic.
Throughout this experience of COVID-19 is the resiliency of our students.
In early May, SOU furloughed almost 400 employees 1 day per week for the rest of the calendar year. Vice President of Enrollment Management and Student Affairs Neil Wolf says the furloughed employees are able to receive partial unemployment through the Oregon Work-Share program. With the added weekly $600 check from the federal government, some employees are earning more money than before.
By not laying off people, by going to a furlough and leveraging the federal stimulus funds, that actually put many of our employees in, for a few months, a situation where they can better kind of weather this pandemic.
SOU's biggest loss of revenue is through housing and dining. As of early May, it was down nearly $3 million, with an added $1 million lost in enrollment.
Because of some of the uncertainty around what fall will look like, we're seeing students who normally would have traveled for school stay home.
Despite the loss in spring term, Wolf says new student enrollment for fall is actually up compared to this time last year, with more students turning to the Jackson Josephine Pledge program, a more inexpensive way for local high school seniors to get their college degree in just 3 years.
What's too early to tell is the number of students who will return. And what's really important to them is what type of experience they'll have this fall.
Wolf says students overwhelmingly voiced they would prefer to have in-person classes if at all possible. That's still the plan for fall term.
One of the great things about SOU is because of the relative low number of cases we've seen in Jackson County, we're able to plan for and look to offer an in-person experience.
With many students facing financial hardships, the university is also increasing scholarships available for those impacted by COVID-19. In Medford, Anna Weeks, NBC5 News.
Wolf says study abroad programs are still in question, but doesn't expect abroad programs to be big in the fall. SOU says it's closely following the CDC and the state's travel guidelines.